In this question from JEST 2012, we are given an electric field in a region E is equal to AX I cap plus CZ J cap plus 6BY K cap. We have to identify the values of A, B and C such that the electric field given represent an electrostatic field. Now, to represent an electrostatic field, E must be conservative. Now for conservative fields, curl of E must be 0. For conservative fields, curl is 0. This implies del cross E is equal to 0. Now let us find the curl of E. Curl of E is equal to determinant I, J, K, del by del X, del by del Y, del by del Z, and then we have AX, component of X direction is AX and component of Y direction is CZ. Then we have 6BY. This is equal to I cap times 6B minus C minus J cap times 0 minus 0 plus K cap times 0 minus 0. So this is coming out to be equal to 6B minus C I cap. This is equal to 0 for conservative. For E to be conservative, this must be 0, which means 6B is equal to C. Now in the given options, these are the A, B, C values. This is B and the third one is C. So in the first option, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 12. Now here we got 6B is equal to C. Now if B is equal to 1, 6 into 1 is equal to 6. This is not equal to 12. Therefore option A is not correct. In option B we have B value equal to 6 and C value is equal to 1. 6B is equal to 36, which is not equal to C. Option B is also incorrect. Option C, we have B is equal to 1, C equal to 6, 6B is equal to 6, which means this is equal to C. So option B satisfies the condition 6B is equal to C. Therefore option C is the correct answer here.